It's what?
It's sunny.
No way. You messed it up. Come stand over here. Maybe it'll start blowing. Over here. Look at the force of nature.
Oh. It's not blowing.
Alright, come on, let's go to the car. Come on. So, chilling in the rain. It's raining.
Daddy,
It's blowing, huh? You sure you're not just smacking it? Hey, come on. Yeah, you can record everything you want. I'm gonna go to the car. Oh, hold it with both hands, kid.
Okay.
No, you can hold it like this. Hold it. There you go. See? Don't drop it.
Oh, hey, woohoo! You don't want me, do you? Wayne, stop it! This! I'm not dropping it. Please, stop it. My shoes are returning me. Daddy, I'm returning me.
Awesome. Here, let me see it so it's not too long and we can upload it to YouTube. Are you recording your shoes?
Yeah.
Alright. Say bye.
Bye.
Say peace. Or not. Run!